City lights fade low, shadows start to show. Lonely streets below, whispering the flow. So near, empty hearts veneer, casting doubt and fear. Dreams.
Hell. Judith. It's not that I don't want to do what you ask me to do or I am refusing you, no. You know very well that I am the one taking care of my children since my husband ran away with the other woman. Eh?
I know, Monica. I know. But please, my sister, you know I don't have any more time left. I don't have any more time. You are the only one I have. Please, take Nena with you. She is a very brilliant child. She is helpful in doing house chores. I have become too attached to her to give her out to strangers.
I thought by now this child's mother would have come back to look for her. Eh? For all these years. More than 10 years now. She did not even care. And I told you the other time to take her to the orphanage.
Monica, she was barely a week old. The day when I saw her in front of my house, I couldn't give her out just like that. She was too fragile. Yes, I wanted to take her to the orphanage when she was stronger. Or maybe after a month.
That is it. After 1 month, after 2 months, after 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. You did not. Like I told you to.
Yes. It is done already. Just don't go there.
Judith, it is not too late. You can still take her to the orphanage.
I can't let Nena to be alone when I die. I can't let her be alone. I am the only one she has. Now, she will have you and new siblings.
Judith, it is not that I'm refusing you. You know I am the only one doing everything. I'm the only one holding on myself. I'm confused. The load is really high on me. And you want me to add this one? Mba. Sorry, calm down. Yeah.
Please, my sister.
Okay.
Do this last favor from me. I beg you. I beg you.
Hey, calm down, calm down. Calm down. Judith, calm down. Calm down. Oh, calm down. Calm down.
Promise
I will. Just calm down. Biko, calm down. Calm down.
Promise me.
I promise you I will. I will take care of her, don't worry. Nena. My friend, look down. They're looking at me. Come here. Turn. Who bought this dress for you?
My mom.
Your mother. Judith is not your mother. Judith is my sister. She's not your mother. My mother. Which mother? Which mother are you talking about? This dress is fine. No? Huh? This dress can fit Glory very well. So Judith, every money that Judith has, she will use it to buy clothes for you. Akoya, come bring your bag. Fast. Quick. Hey, children of nowadays. Where are you? Give it to me. Nonsense. Yeah. See you. Here. This one for you. Your mother bought this one for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Glory can put on this one. This one is very, very fine. Okay. Hello. Ezoku. This one will fit Glory very well. Do you know what? These clothes, they are for Glory. You go and keep them inside. Eh?
Yes, ma'am.
You keep them inside. They are for Glory. And then, this one in your body. They are looking at me. Look down. I'm off ya. Before I talk, you shine your eyes. Electric touch. You are looking at my face. Are you not scared? Come and wash that one in your body. Go here. And keep it. Come here. Listen, let me tell you, Judith is not your mother. Do you understand me? Judith is not your mother. Judith is my sister. Take, go and keep them in my room. Don't let me look for it. Baby, come here. Where did I say you should keep it?
It's in your room.
Very good. Sebapo. Open it again. Open it. Open it up. If I miss it again, I will drop the cane and I will use my hand. You're very smart. Before I bring my cane, you draw your hand. If you draw it again this time around, if you draw this hand back again, I will behead you. You're looking at me. Look down. You're looking at me. You are blinking your eye. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm not here. Stretch your hand quick. Open it. If I stand up from here, you will see stars. The third time. Very good. Stretch your hand. Stretch it. Stretch it. Very good. Nonsense. You want to stretch it. Before I bring my cane, you dodge. I bring my cane, you dodge. Maradona. Stand up. So you hid this dress You did not bring it the other time. I say, shut up, I'm not finished talking. You mad? Sit down, kneel down. Come on, kneel down. Hey, you eat this yourself, I will not see it. You are wearing spaghetti. My friend, as you stand up from here, you will go and wash that dress and keep it in my room. What did I say?
Keep it in your
Fast! Look there, come on, look there. Come back here. Kneel down. If I descend on you, I will just, I will pieces you, I will scatter you. I will scatter you like somebody who is eating ukwa. I'm not here. I have the guts to put my children. You have the guts to put my children in hunger. From morning till night. You this. I'm most weak. Idiot. Try it again next time. Say, Papa. Come back here. Kneel down. You want to look at me from my head? Are you mad? Hey, Mama? My mother. Judith is your mother. The next time you will try that thing again. The next time, look at me now. I don't know if you look down. Look at me. I look down. Fly. Nonsense. Don't blame you. You will leave this house one day. Just wait. You will go one day. You have the guts to keep my children in hunger. You see? You are what?
I'm hungry.
Repeat it well, let me hear you. Say you are what?
I'm hungry.
You hungry? Eh? Have you filled the tank with water?
No.
Eh?
No.
You have not filled the tank with water. Those bags of cement I say you should bring out for the bricklayer, have you brought them out?
No.
And you have the guts to come back here and tell me that you are hungry. Okay? Look down! Don't look at me! Nonsense! I'm talking to you. Oh, you have not become a butterfly. Before I put my cane down, you are gone. You dodge, fiam. Eh? Come back here. The Ugu farm, did you clear it? Yes, that one is simple. So who do you want now to go and fill the tank? Me and my children, okay? And you come here to tell me that you are hungry. You are still wearing this dress. What did I tell you before you leave this place?
I should wash it.
Then why did you come back? Yes. What can take you? Nonsense. Leave my presence. Leave here. You still me? Come back here. Come back. What did he say? He said what?
Nothing.
Eh?
Nothing.
Please walk it there. I'm not fear. Idiot. Say it again now. If those teeth in your mouth are complete, say that. Please say it again. Let me remove that. You look for the one you use in eating meat. Idiot. You want to eat, you are hungry. My children have been hungry since morning, they have not eaten. You are coming here to tell me that you want to eat, you are hungry. I'm not fear. Will you run away now? Run away from here. Idiot. Want to eat? I'm hungry. You're singing. Come and eat your head. Judith is dead. It's in the grave. You go and dig the grave. And he will come and give you food. If you come back to meet me, you sure this girl will leave this house. Can you imagine the guts? The guts you have. I am hungry. You're singing. Grasshopper.
Wait, the girl I saw outside washing, is that the girl you were telling me about?
She is. Yes.
Now, wow. That's your sister get mine. She just picked somebody she does not know anything about and wasted time and money on her like that. What if she's a daughter of a mad woman? Imagine the way she's looking like somebody who is from a psychiatric home.
Is that the one that's even bothering you? Me that has accepted to carry on the responsibility of taking care of that girl from now onward. What will you say about me?
In your own case, it's understandable. At least you were trying to respect your sister's last wish. You did not do anything wrong.
Listen. Who will leave that thing? Who will leave that girl matter? The red.
Red what? Maybe how?
As I'm talking to you now, the cost of flour will be here.
Ja.
Butter, yeast, baking powder. Oh.
So what are you going to do now?
That one is not even bothering me. I've not paid rent to get my rent. I don't even know what to do. I am so confused.
And it's expired already.
I've got some rent.
Anyway, you don't need to bother yourself. Say how.
Oh.
You see, people are now working from home, from their comfort zone. All you need is just your smartphone. Then you can snap your product and send to your customers. They will make demand. Then you go and deliver to their houses. Collect your money. It's that simple.
Just like that.
Just like that.
You know how to do it.
Of course I know. Once you are ready, I'll put you through.
What are you saying? I have a smartphone here with me. Mom,
Are you ready?
fast. Let me go.
Calm down. Be calm.
No. My blood is boiling right now. Just like that.
Look, unlock it.
Hey, just like that.
Just like that.
I'll just put the picture of down there,
Yes.
and I'll be making money.
Yes.
And you're keeping quiet all this while. You know all these things. No, now. You know now.
Don't blame me.
I'm
Didn't
blaming
get to
you.
my head all this way.
Hey. No, but wait. I will just paste, or I will post. People will begin to demand,
Yes.
and I'll be baking. I'll be giving to them.
Simple.
Yeah.
You don't need to pay for
Take
it
it.
anymore. Madam.
Hey. Now you're talking.
Yes, now.
Thank God.
Imagine the way you were frowning as
The online business is good. I must not lie to you. It's moving. But babe, it no reach. Yes,
Are you serious?
I'm telling you the truth. It no reach.
This one that you are complaining like this, you need to be calming down.
Ah,
You just started 3 months ago and you are complaining like this. See, this thing is a gradual process. You will have more customers. It will grow. Trust me.
I'm thinking of something else.
What's that?
What if I bake these things, carry them myself to go and supply? It will be faster.
You mean
Then
to,
I add it to the online thing. It will be faster.
you mean to various shops?
Yes, now.
Yeah. You're too big for that. You're too big for that. Eh? How will they hold you carrying things to the shops to go and deliver? No. See, I have an idea.
Okay.
You will be baking the cakes
Okay.
in a small quantity. Give it to Nena to go and hawk. Then she will be bringing money to the house for you.
I should give it to Nena.
Uh-huh.
That small thing.
Eh? Who is a small thing? That girl. Didn't you see small children on the street hawking up and down? And you are calling this big girl small thing? You are wasting your time keeping this girl in this house to be eating your food for free. Give it to her, let her go and sell and bring money to the house for you.
I will.
Eh.
Now that I
That's
don't
my
even
friend.
have money to send her to school, she will also work for her school fees too.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You're no longer sending her to school.
How? Where the
That's
money
good.
did?
I thought you would be foolish enough to send that girl to school.
You are correct, oh. You are very correct, oh. You are very smart, oh.
Okay.
At least I'll be. Hey, I was blind to it, oh. I'll be doing small ones. Give it to her. She will go and say it will be easier. She come back again. I do one
She can even go like 10 times in a day.
Hey! What am I doing
Your-
this brain?
your
Where
own
you
is
dey
just-
safe? You?
Your own is just to sit down at home and be baking. Then she will go and be selling it.
Can you imagine? That
Oh.
is true. Yes, oh.
Babe, wait. Are we still going clubbing tonight?
Why we not gonna go down story with that? You gotta ask a kind of nonsense question.
I thought you were going to leave me
Don't
alone.
say it. Don't say that one is shop banker.
Oh yeah, no.
When we come back from here, we use this one to close up.
You are not going to waste my time like the other time. You
Stop,
prepare
don't
on
start.
time.
Stop, you don't start. You have started.
Okay.
You have started.
All right.
You think they don't leave person. When we finish, we go there.
Eh.
Hey!
Eh.
I already did your. Hey, this guy. Take five. Oh. Chai.
That's why I'm here. I told you I'm always here for you.
It's really true. Nina. You know how much I told you that day?
Yes.
I've counted all of them. Go and take the buckets. Count them and take them to the market. Opposite the market side, there is a mechanic workshop. You will go there. They will buy. When you move forward after the market, they see where those Hausa people used to gather. You will sell. Don't play. Go fast. Run. Have you seen your container? Nana, where are the things you went to say?
Finish it.
You sold everything?
Yes.
Yay! You sold everything? Just like that? At that mechanic workshop site? The whole goods fair? Nana! So fast! Also, there are more in the kitchen. Go and pack them. And you go back there. You sell more. Don't waste time. Run. Be fast. If this bucket is not even enough, add the other basin from that kitchen. We add even that rubber bag there. Add it. We'll add all of them. Hey, whoa! Can you imagine? Nana!
Ma?
Be fast. Should I come and meet you?
No, ma.
Oh yeah, be fast. Also. Fear. Like that. See, you are very clever. Look at you. And I'm just sitting down here all this while, doing nothing. See money. But 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Can you imagine? Nana!
Ma?
Are you still there?
I'm done.
Be fast. Don't play with me, oh. Don't play. Nana!
Ma? I'm going.
Nana! Hi! Chin. Nena,
Ma.
the money is not correct.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I used 100 naira to buy sachet water. The one I took got finished.
Water kill you there. Sachet water kill you there, Nena.
Sorry.
Shut up your mouth. You use my 100 naira to buy pure water. You could not even wait until when you get home and drink water from the house here. You use my 100 naira to go and buy pure water, Nena. Today you will use 100 naira. Tomorrow you use 100 naira. Next tomorrow you use 100 naira. Are we going forward or we are going backward? I'm asking you.
I'm sorry, Mom.
You're an idiot, Mechianuki. How dare you? Do you know what 100 naira is? I'm asking you. I'll send you to go and say something. You will use 100 naira. Tomorrow you use. Next tomorrow you use. And come back here and tell me sorry. Sorry. Walk it there. Nena. It's short. Hey! Every day minus 100 naira wait for me. Just wait. What are you? Carry it. Take it. Oh yeah, hold it. Hold it very well. No fear. You are using my 100 naira to go and buy pure water. But hold it. Nonsense. I'm coming for you. Wait for me. Stay away. Stand there. If he falls, you will die. No fear.
Mama, you needed to see the way this guy was just touching Nena. Was just touching her everywhere. And Mama, you know, people were there, oh. This guy has no shame, Mama. No shame at all. He was just looking at her. The guy was just hugging her, touching her everywhere. And she was
Nena?
just smiling like a donkey. Smile. Yes, that girl. And that's how she's always looking innocent, like she doesn't know anything.
Yeah!
Nena. That innocent. See the idiot.
Good afternoon, Wogidie. You're an idiot. So when I ask you to go and sell things, you go out there and sell your body, Okoya?
No, Ma, I don't see my body.
Shut up your mouth. Better shut up your mouth. Mama, you know that boy, what's his name? That Yoruba boy now? Abiola, that his mother sells food at that junction. That's the guy that she was with. You want to deny it? I saw you.
Gloria. If actually you saw us, you know that I wasn't interested.
My friend, will you keep quiet there? Just shut up. Shut up. FM. Now, if I'm not finished, sorry, you have started. You are reading news. I'm not fear. Imuma? Are you okay? I'm asking you. I ask you to go and sell something. You go there, you start selling yourself together. Nena.
Ma.
You are an idiot.
You're very big.
You are an idiot. You said puff, you said I grow. It's not enough. Use that type and use it on top of it as icing. Akoya? You're shaking your head. When somebody see you're looking so innocent. Nobody knows what you are doing outside here. Nena!
Ma.
Nena. Nena, Bia.
You had come here.
Don't let me fly on you. When I say come close to me, don't stop. Are you in the military force? You are taking one step after the other. What can Kegi sit down here? I want to ask you a question. Sit down. Nena. Are you still a virgin?
Mama, you see? Why is she crying?
So it is true. It is true, Nena. You are doing me bye-bye. Okay, so this is what you have been doing. Nena. 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 Mommy cry. You're mommy cry, Nena.
You cannot see anything, Abi.
Yes, now.
Nena! Nena! Should me they call you? I come closer. Let me this one. Come here. I say, may you come closer. Try this thing. Take this thing, Joe. If you like, take him. If you like, you no take him. You get belly, and man go pursue you come up this house. The Jones.
You are dressed. So where, if I may ask?
Mom, remember you promised to take me out for shopping today.
My dear, I really forgot. Something came up this morning in a place of work, so I had to make sure I finish this contract and send it to your father because he's been meeting with our international clients in the next 3 hours.
But Mom, it's too early for a business meeting in US.
Oh, I forgot to tell you that your father is already done in US and he flew back to London yesterday in the evening to meet with our newest client in London.
The contract is supposed to handle by his secretary or PA.
You may say that again, but technically I am your father's PA. Moreover, yesterday Grace had a tic-tac after the flight, so she's been showing up since last night.
Maybe it's what she ate last night.
How did you get this smart at this age?
Mom, I'm an adult now, remember? Besides, there is no fixed age for smartness.
You're not only smart, you are intelligent and beautiful. The most beautiful girl I've ever seen.
Thank you, Mommy. So, what about my shopping?
Oh, my dear, please, you have to forgive me for today. You'll go alone. Akin will take you to the boutique so that you'll be able to pick whatever you want. I'll transfer money to your account.
Okay, thank you, Mom.
Akin! Akin! Akin!
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, Akin, you have to drive Mirabelle to the boutique. Make sure she is safe while out there. Stay with her. After she is done, don't take her to any other place. Bring her back home. Am I understood?
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay? Okay.
I'll see you later, Mom.
It's okay.
Take care of yourself.
And you too. Bye. Be safe.
Yes, your guy wants that is show.
Which one be your guy want say? You know say you too they do like room or where. I don't feel believe you.
Wait, so you dey try tell me say I dey carry rumors dey waka this way.
I no go believe him until I hear him from Oga mouth say he wan sell shop. At that time I go believe him.
Well, na you sabi. I just dey tell you as your friend. So that we go now, we go dey plan business night now. All this petty job we dey do. Because that new owner fit come now, he no go allow us work with am. So I just dey tell you now.
So even if you say this thing now true now, why the new owner no go allow us work with him? No be the same business he wan use am do.
Na the same business, na the reason why I buy am. But I just dey tell you for grant.
But why your Oga go sell the shop now? The business they do fine. We dey see money. Why you go sell shop?
Well, I hear from person say Oga wan japa go China. You know that guy wey be the supply and pass from overseas. That guy tell am say he go make more money if he dey sell for China, and he don even help am secure. Hey, how do they call this thing? Visa.
Visa.
Yes, they help am secure visa wey be say he go take go meet her for that side. Leave Oga.
What did this thing dey like? This na too because.
Dey there na. Dey there. That I just dey tell you as a friend so that we go fit prepare now. Me we no call rumors call just come meet us. We no call get job to do again.
Better friend. Why your Oga go?
See your babe.
My babe, you say you dey like that. I'm just my friend. They say you go see.
How are you doing? I went to your shop, I didn't see you. Hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem, my dear.
So do you want?
Yes, I want. Give me 3. Oh, give me 3. Hey, it's today's own.
Yes. Okay.
And then you always sad and withdrawn, especially when you are with me. Is everything all right? Hope there is no problem.
No, there is no problem, James. And thanks for your concern. Can I go now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
You bumped into someone and you can't even apologize. Dirty pig. Look at her. Rubbish people everywhere. Sorry, are you hurt? I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have said those hurtful words to you. I'm sorry. It was my fault walking alongside the road and making a video call at the same time. Please, forgive me.
I'm fine. But I'll be very hurt if I don't get the complete money for my snacks to give to my aunt.
Don't worry, you don't have a problem. I will give you 100,000 naira.
Huh?
Yes, I have enough. I will give you 100,000 naira. I'm so sorry. I was not raised up like this. Please, I'm sorry. I will give you 100,000 naira.
No, ma, I don't want. You'll be helping me by giving me the money for my snacks.
Okay, how much is everything?
It's 12,200 naira. Oh, ma, this is 12,500. I only said 12,200.
Don't worry, you can keep it.
Ma, I'm sorry, I can't accept this.
Please,
No.
you can keep it. Since you are done selling for today, can I at least take you home? My name is Mirabel. What's your name?
I'm in Nina.
Nina. Nice name. We are friends now. Can I take you home? My car is parked down there.
No, that won't be necessary, ma. I don't want to get into trouble. My auntie wouldn't buy that idea.
You stay with your auntie.
Yes, I stay with my aunt.
What about your parents?
I'm sorry, ma. It's a long story.
We are friends now. Do you mind telling me?
No, I'm sorry.
You are back already. You didn't let me know. What happened? Why is your face this way?
I bumped into someone today. A girl who hawks snacks. I was rude to her. I thought it was her fault for almost falling me down. I went back to the same spot where I left her. I offered to pay her, but she refused.
How much did you offer to give her?
100,000.
Maybe she refused because the money is too small.
No, Mom. She was serious about it. She told me I should give her the money only for the snacks. I shouldn't add anything. And I tried to go close to her for us to be friends, but she refused. She said she don't keep friends, and if she do, she'll be punished. Mom, I feel pity for her.
It's okay. I understand how you feel. You feel bad because you know you are guilty for pushing her.
Yes.
But you did the right thing by trying to correct the impression, though she didn't accept the money. Don't worry yourself. You'll get over it, okay?
I hope so.
You will. Go to the kitchen and dish your food. I'm done with the cooking.
Thank you, Mom.
Why are you avoiding me all
Please leave me. I don't know what to talk about. Please, can I go?
this? No, I cannot leave you until you give me an answer.
James, for crying out loud. I have told you several times that I'm not interested in any form of relationship. Please, can I go? Please. I don't want to get into trouble. Please.
Then I don't care about people, what they think. Nobody will put you into any form of trouble while I'm here.
Hey,
Please,
God.
can you just give me a positive response? I love you. Don't break my heart, please.
My God, who have I offended to deserve all this today? For crying out loud. Please now, leave me now, let me go, please. I'm begging you.
I'm not letting you go until you give me a positive answer. Why is your face like that? Oh, okay, Nana. See, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The problem is, I'm just frustrated with the way you are treating me.
What did you just say, James? Do you know what frustration is all about? All my life, I have lived a life of frustration. Is it the frustration from my mom that left me to suffer this way? That abandoned me when I was a child? Or is it the frustration that the woman who trained me to this extent and then took her away from me? Or is it the current guidance, the frustration I'm getting from my current guardian and our children that are bent on destroying my life? So my dear, you don't know what frustration is all about because I am the real frustration. Excuse me. They told me. Somebody help. Somebody help. My tummy. Ah. 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 My tummy. Ah. My tummy. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Ah. 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 My tummy. Ah. 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 My tummy. Ah. My tummy. Somebody help me. Somebody help My God.
Mom, what is it? Look, take a look at this.
What is wrong with all these bloggers? And how did this manage to get to the internet?
I don't know.
Don't worry. I will call someone who will bring it down, okay?
You only uploaded where I was rude to her. But did you record where I went to apologize to her? These bloggers are wicked.
What a rich girl did to a poor hawker. Ha! They are only after negative stories. Eh? Believe me, many people are suffering because of the fake news all these bloggers carry around. Eh? They are just desperate for content without minding how the people that they are writing anything about feels. Eh? Huh. Not to worry. I'll have to call someone now. The person that will bring it down. In fact, I'm going there. They must bring it down immediately. What is all this? Now. Eh? Without even caring to know what it is.
Welcome. How did you go?
Well, I've seen him. Our lawyer is taking all the necessary legal action against the person that posted that video. And he said that he'll get back to us as soon as the video is brought down. But there was something he said, that since the video has been posted, some people might have saved it already. He advised that we do our own part by telling the whole world our own story. That we should try and right our wrong.
So, Mom, what do you suggest we do?
I suggest we find that girl and make things right with her. That side will help us also.
Will that work?
I believe it will work. We have to try. It's better than not doing anything. It will work. Yes. Welcome, Mom. Thank you.
Mommy, you're back. Yes, Nina. If you go talk to people.
Yeah, fool. You don't make sense of your head. You don't make sense of your eyes. What kind of stupid question? You are seeing me coming with your sister alone. You are asking me about where Nena. She's in my skirt.
Okay, so where is she now?
Oga, she's at the hospital. She was admitted.
Admitted?
Yes. But come on, why the sudden interest in Nena? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
I don't understand. What are you thinking? Eh? Can you ever think of anything reasonable in that empty head of yours?
Come, see, don't insult me.
Eh?
Please, don't insult me.
And if I insult you, what will you do? Fight me? Eh? Except you don't know your senior anymore in this house. Eh?
Senior my foot.
Senior your
Yes,
food?
senior. Yes. Senior.
Senior.
Hey! Stop there! What do you want to do? Okoga, you are flying. Kite.
Mommy, but she's
I don't really shut up. Just shut it up there. But let me ask you, can you fight? You that is like a kite. You are not flying. You want to slap somebody. You want to slap somebody. Pala. I have told you severally, this girl is your only sister. You should be protecting her, not fighting with her. I'm tired of the two of you. I'm tired of the two of you in this house. I'm tired of the two of you in this house. And you, Abraham, you, where
What did I do again? What?
Did you just raise your voice at me? I'm asking you.
Mommy. I beg you. I don't like this wahala. Waiting be this one, pan.
Are you okay? That you look me in the eye and you talk back at me. No, I'm asking you, Abraham. It has gotten to this point, Abraham, that you look at me in the eye. Abraham, I'm talking to you. Is it me you're talking to like this? Your own mother. Hey, Mama, you okay?
If I am stupid, then the woman that gave birth to me is also stupid. I don't like this nonsense, so. Like, won't come they slap me anyhow. I don't grow, I be man now. What's up now? No be pikin wey go just dey slap me anyhow now. I don't like that nonsense, so. The person no come beat you mama one day, oh.
Yeah. Aha.
Yes. Where is it? Around here. Just... Can we ask someone? Yes. Okay, let's ask that way. Excuse me. Please, I'm looking for a girl that sells guns around here. No, I feel like why don't you ask this man? Good afternoon, sir. Please, I'm looking for a girl that sells guns around here. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. In that case, we have to get some. So he said, yes.
afternoon. I'm looking for a girl that sells buns around here.
Waiting.
Buns. Yeah, the girl that sells buns. Okay. Thank you.
I think she go front.
You don't need to get yourself worked up here. You said she told you that her house is not that far from that boutique.
Yes, Mom.
And the people we asked said she's a regular around that area. But they said they've not seen her for some days now. I wonder why.
Mom, I hope she's not in trouble.
In trouble?
Yes. I told you from the little discussion we had. She's scared of her auntie. She talked about getting in trouble if we take her home or have any friends. I'm sure she's being maltreated.
Maltreated?
Yes, Mom.
Then in that case, we have to hasten up to make sure we find her as soon as possible.
Yes, Mom. We really need to find her. Really need to find her. I'm having these feelings that everything is not right with her. We need to find her. Please, Mom.
You have to take a chill pill. I'll do everything within my reach to make sure we find her soonest.
Thank you, Mom. I'll be in my room.
Okay.
Nena! I have tried my best. I have tried my best too. I did not leave you. Okay? Nena! Did I leave you?
No.
Good. So you know that for these past 5 days that you have spent in that hospital, I have spent a lot of money. True or false? Good. The drip, the blood, everything. I have spent, when you say money, I have spent a lot of money. Do you understand what I'm telling you? Very good. You are very strong. Very, very strong. Turn around. Let me see. Turn. Mash your leg on the ground. I know you are very strong. You go to the backyard. Eh? Remaining those buns, egg roll, everything. Carry it and go and sell. I want my money. You know, when you make money, you can spend. If you don't make money, can you spend?
No.
Well, hurry up. Hurry up. Don't let me wait for your hand. Yeah? Yeah. Where are you? Nena!
Ma?
Nena!
Yes, ma.
Good. Do not come back here when you don't finish that thing. You will finish everything. Because I finished my money in the hospital. I've told you.
What happened to you? I haven't seen you for 4 days.
I was very sick. I was admitted in the hospital for 5 days. But you didn't come to shop on Sundays, so you didn't have that.
Do you sell on Sundays?
Yeah, I do sell every day.
That means you don't go to church?
I used to, when I was still living with my mom.
I think you are a little bit different today. Yeah. And I believe you should always be like that because you deserve that.
How do you know what I deserve?
I know what you deserve, Nena.
No, you don't.
See, let me tell you something. Aside the fact that you are always angry, always sad, I know you're a very hardworking girl. I know you are very intelligent. That's why you deserve everything good.
Thank you.
I will soon be leaving the shop.
Where will you be going to?
Our guy has finally sold the shop. The person that bought the shop told us to leave. So as it stands now, I just want to face my education. I want to further my education. My uncle in Australia came back and he promised to help me sponsor my education. So I'll go and register for WAEC and JAM and write. I want to study mechanical engineer.
Wow, that's very, very good. That's very, very nice. I'm jealous of you right now.
No, you don't need to be jealous.
I'm happy you are pursuing your dreams. That's good. Good luck. So can I go now?
Oh, why? We are beginning to bond.
I have to go now. I've spent a lot of time here.
Are you for real?
Yes.
Okay, let me see your work.
I want 2. And you must bring it very early. Yes. Bring it very early. No, I'm not. I. Yes. Okay. You know what it is? Tomorrow, you will double it up. You understand? Yes, sir. You will double it up. Because the money, they put interest. You know, when I bring it, I put interest too. Because if I don't put it, I will not see the one that I will spend for you. So tomorrow, you will double and make it faster. I know? Yes, sir. So you go inside. Carry the flour outside now. Let's go and do the other ones. Okay. Bia, come here. Go. Nena. See, Papa. Okay. Oh, you have to zip on the gown. My money will not be missing on Nena. Nena! Ha! Okay. Be fast, I'm waiting for you. Hey! Stop right there. Akuna. So this is what you do. Okay? This is what you do, Glory. Where are you coming from at this time of the day? This early. Where are you coming from?
Mama, I went to a party.
You went to a party? Witchcraft party that kept you all through the night. Who invited you?
My friend, Juliet.
Juliet! I have warned you severally to stay away from where that girl is. You don't want to listen, okay? Hey! Glory! You don't want to listen. So you have not heard stories about this girl. How she has done abortion for every boy that is in this environment. And finally, she has HIV. Do you want whatever befell her to befall you?
Mama, please. Please. Juliet is my friend. And she's a good one at that. And there's no calamity that has befallen her.
My friend, will you shut up? Just shut it up right now. Close your dirty mouth. Does HIV show on the face? Is it written on anybody's face?
Mama, I want to ask you something. So, is Juliet your problem right now?
What sort of question is that? What is my problem?
Mama, do you really want to know what your problem is?
Yes, I want to know.
I will tell you.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to tell you what your problem is. Mama, your problem is that you don't care about any of your children, not even one. The only thing you care about is sleeping around with other men.
Shut your dirty mouth! Shut it up right now! Shut it up! How dare you? How dare you? If not for those old men you talk about, you will not have food on the table. Yes, you and your brother, dull heads. Do you know how you managed to pass your exams? No! It is the money from those old men that saw you through your exams. And you dare open your mouth to say such things to me? I've spent all my life making sure that you are comfortable, giving you a good life. And this is all you can tell me?
I will say whatever it is I want to say to you. And this is the reason why I don't listen to any of your nonsense anymore. Yes, Mama. And you know what? I'm going to go out there and make my own money. Yes, because all of my mates are living the life. But what am I doing with my life? I'm here receiving scoldings from you. And you even slapped me. If not because you're my mother, eh? What's that? Why would you slap me? What nonsense is that? You even raised your hand to slap me. Mama, don't do it again. No, it's because you're my mother. Oh. Why would you slap me now? It's not the same as coming back. Slapping somebody anyhow.
Glory!
What is wrong with you? What is it?
Where's mommy?
I don't know. I think she stepped out a few hours ago.
Oh, this woman is looking for my trouble. Oh. She didn't even drop the money I asked her to drop. What sort of wickedness is this? Ordinary 30,000 naira, what did she know if you give her own picking? Eh? She doesn't even drop money in the room like the way she used to do before. This one is a witch.
Well, for me, very soon, I'll leave everybody in this house. Juliet has agreed to let me stay in her house. So, I'll be leaving very, very soon.
That's your friend that is a prostitute. You want to join her and go and do prostitution, Abi? You dare your eye.
My dear lovely brother, it is better than looking for ordinary 30,000 naira. Like some broke people that I know. Yes, it is.
Are you stupid? You're talking to me in that manner. Are you stupid?
Please, I beg you, please. Hire your paper, body go somewhere else. I mean, not me do you.
Classic, man.
Yes, it's okay there. Is she still there? Okay, don't worry. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'll be right with you. Nne, come. I want to buy something.
Good evening, ma.
Yes, good evening.
What snacks do you want? I have donuts, I have egg roll, I have buns.
Just put two from every one of them.
Okay, ma. Should I put it separately or together?
Anyhow you want to pack it. Or just pack them together, anyhow. How much is it?
2,000.
Okay. Nena, you know,
Nena. Please, ma, how did you know my name?
yes, I know you will get to that. You met my daughter the other day. She was the one that told me and about you. I believe you remember my daughter, Mirabel by name. The girl that bumped into you and was rude, but later apologized to you. She is fine. But to be honest with you, she had not gotten herself because someone recorded that incident that happened and put it on internet. So my daughter has not been herself since then. She felt bad because she was unable to compensate you. You refused to accept the money she gave to you.
It's fine. She apologized and paid for the damages in that very day.
No. I would like us to go to your home for me to see your parents, see your people, meet your family.
That won't be necessary now. I don't want to get into trouble. And moreover, I'm not done selling Christmas.
What about your parents?
I lost my mom when I was 10 years old. Ever since then, I've been staying with my parents.
Oh, so sorry. I'm sorry about that. Okay, what about if I buy everything you have here, give you extra money, so you can follow me to somewhere we can talk?
That would be possible. Moreover, I don't even know you. I can't go out just like that.
See, I just want to help you. I've wanted to see you since my daughter told me things about you. And now meeting you, and in this condition, honestly, my spirit moved me to come closer to you, to help you. I will give you the money more than what you are carrying. Yes, I understand. You are trying to be cautious because of what is happening in the world today. Good one. Now, but you cannot say we are strangers. At least you've told me a little about yourself. Why don't you choose any restaurant of your choice, any location, anywhere, so we can go there, sit down and talk. Then I will give you money. You'll be done for the day's selling. Okay. That's okay.
Why are you running?
Hello? Doctor. Yes, I am the mother of the girl that was rushed to your clinic. Yes. Doctor, please, how is she doing? Hey, thank you, doctor. Thank you so much. Huh? Doctor, I, I, I don't understand. Pregnant? No. No, doctor, that's not what I mean. What? Abortion pills? What is really wrong with this girl? What is wrong with my daughter? What is wrong with Glory? Eh? What is this? Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Glory, just like that. Hey! Oh my God. I'm so happy. So, I do not even know how to thank you. Thank you so much for paying my daughter's hospital bill.
It's nothing. Hmm? I'm happy being of help to you.
You have not told me why you are here.
Let me just say, I just became fond of Nena. You know, she's a very hardworking girl, smart and intelligent. I'm here to ask for your permission to become her guidance sponsor. I want to sponsor her in her education, pay for the fees and all the rest of them. And on the other hand, I would like to give you some money to open up a shop in order to help you put food on your table.
For someone you barely know.
Let's just say that it pleases my heart and gladdens my heart to help people that needs my help. I know I'm doing it for God and for the person also. And seeing smiles on people's faces makes me, as in, be fulfilled.
Thank you so much. Who am I to say no? How can I refuse this? Thank you. God bless you.
Amen. And bless you too.
Amen.
You already have my number. So what you have to do is to send me your account details. I'll transfer some money to your account.
At once, I am sending it. I'm sending it now. At once.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. You're
Thank
welcome.
you so much.
You're welcome. There is something I'm curious about that I want to know.
What's that?
You know, the mark on Nena's left thigh. I've been wondering how she came about it.
Okay, she was born with it.
Let's say a birthmark?
Yes, just a birthmark.
What about her parents?
Her parents are dead.
Nana told me that she was staying with her mom till the age of 10 before her mother died.
Don't mind her. I have told Nina severally that my sister is not her mother. Yes. My sister saw her in front of her gate in the morning with a tag inside the basket that she was abandoned with. So she took her in. And all this while, she has been looking after her until this time. So, my sister is not Nina's mother. Madam, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Oh, there's no problem.
There is no problem. Please, if you don't mind my asking, what's your sister's name?
Judith.
Nurse Judith?
That's what they call her in that community.
Nurse Judith is dead?
Do you know her?
Not really. Yes. She was a good nurse, loving and caring to all the patients in that maternity. May her soul rest in peace. Yes, I'm very serious. Yeah, you know, I was excited after all this. Yeah. See, I was excited and at the same time, I was scared. Yeah. You know, I don't know how she will feel after abandoning her overseas. Honey, if you see my daughter, if you see the way she was, she looks so haggard, tattered, and unkempt. She was walking clothes on the street. I felt bad. Yes. I cannot help but blame myself. I caused everything. I need your advice. What do I do? I want my daughter back. I want her to forgive me. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much for all the assistance. Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome. You should be thanking God.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You should thank God. Mama now. Thank you. Like I said, God is the one that did this miracle. So we're supposed to thank Him, not thank Him. Miracle.
Glory! Glory! Glory!
Don't worry, don't mind.
Glory!
She may not understand
You
now.
are very lucky. You are still alive. You are very, very lucky. It's not your fault. Nonsense. Don't worry.
You know, she doesn't understand. But in due time, she will come to me.
Not this one. Not this stupid girl. Hey. Don't have anything, but I can always do something together. What do we offer you?
Don't disturb yourself. I'm here for a reason. Let me start by telling you a story. 20 years ago, a 23-year-old final year student was drugged and raped by her roommate's boyfriend. She later found out that she was pregnant, so she left school to a very distant community to stay with one of her relatives until she was delivered of the baby. After delivering the baby, she went back to school to complete her education. After graduation, she met an old classmate, a guy. They later fell in love and got married. The husband now took her to UK where he was based. Later, she gave birth to another girl. But the thought of that her first baby still disturbs her. Some years after when they came back to Nigeria, she went straight to that community where she left her baby. But no one seems to know her whereabouts. She then came back. Before I continue, I would like to tell you this. That woman I'm talking about, and the baby is Nenna. I left her in front of Nurse Judith's house in a basket with a name tag. That baby is my Nenna. She is my daughter.
Child! And you did not even care, you didn't bother all these years to come and look for your child.
I did.
You stayed away just like that.
I did, but when I came back to that village to look for Nurse Judith, no one seems to know about her whereabouts. No one seems to know her whereabouts. I'm sorry. Nena, my daughter, I've really missed you. I've really missed you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, I'm going to transfer 10 million naira to you for you to use and take care of your family, start up something. As for my daughter, I'll come back next time to take her along. Thank you. Let me just transfer the money. I have your account number. 10 million. Thank you. I've just got it.
Welcome, Mom.
Thank you.
Welcome. I'm so happy you are here now. To find out from my mom that you're my sister. This is the best news I've heard for a long time.
Thank you.
I've been waiting to have a sibling, and now you are here. Welcome, sis.
Thank you.
My daughter, Mirabel will take you to your room. This is your home now, so you have to feel free and relax. Whatever you need, whatever you want, do not hesitate to let me know, and I will make sure I provide it for you.
Thank you, Ma.
The most important thing to me now is to show you love, care, to make up those days. I will make it up to you, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Let me help you with your bag.
Take her to her room.
Bye.